Are you a builder, maker, or innovator? So are we. At Rockwell Automation, we make the world work better, and we want to help you make the world work better too. We're inviting you to submit your idea to the You Make It Challenge. Have you spotted a problem, come up with a new way to help others, or invented something that people don't even know they need yet? Those are the kind of big ideas we love. Like an app that helps your mom schedule soccer practice, or a device that will bring clean water to areas in need, or even a cookie that gives you abs. You can present your pitch as an app, or an essay, a painting, or a prototype, blueprints, or even a video. If you can fit it on the internet, we'll take it. The top 3 makers will get a Rockwell Automation mentor, an all-expense-paid trip to Automation Fair 2019 in Chicago, a grant to any FIRST program, and the grand prize winner gets all of this, plus their own personal makerspace kit. Submit your big idea to the You Make It Challenge. We can't wait to see your imagination at work.